Tucked away in the heart of Odisha, there's a town called Baripada. This quaint town is often overlooked, but it holds a charm that is hard to find elsewhere. It's in Mayurbhanj district, and it's full of stories about a really cool past. The district itself is a treasure trove of natural beauty and historical significance, making it a must-visit for anyone interested in exploring Odisha's rich heritage. Baripada is like a mix of history, culture and nature, all rolled into one. The bustling markets are filled with vibrant colors and the aroma of local delicacies, while the cultural festivals showcase traditional dances and music that have been passed down through generations. It shows off Odisha's awesome history and invites you to find its hidden treasures. The ancient ruins and historical monuments stand as silent witnesses to the town's glorious past, each with its own story to tell. Baripada is special because it feels like traveling back in time. Walking through its traditional streets, you can almost feel the presence of the people who lived here centuries ago, their lives intertwined with the town's history. Old temples and historic places are everywhere, showing you what the town was like way back when. These sacred sites are not just places of worship, but also architectural marvels that reflect the artistic brilliance of the bygone eras. You can almost hear the kings and queens from long ago. The intricate carvings and statues tell tales of valor, devotion, and the rich cultural tapestry that makes Baripada unique. Odisha's lively culture is alive and well in Baripada. The town is a living museum where traditional crafts are still practiced and local dance performances bring the community together in celebration. It's more than just a town, it's an adventure, a trip through history and a celebration of its past. Every corner of Baripada has a story to tell, and every visit is a new chapter in its ongoing narrative. Come explore Baripada and find its magic. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or someone looking to experience authentic culture, Baripada has something for everyone. It's waiting for you with open arms, ready to show you its warmth and charm. The friendly locals are always eager to share their stories and make you feel at home. Get ready for an amazing journey. Pack your bags and set out on an adventure that promises to be both enlightening and exhilarating. Let the magic of Baripada surprise you. As the sun sets and the town lights up, you'll find yourself enchanted by the serene beauty and timeless allure of this hidden gem. Baripada is proud of its history with the Banja dynasty, the royal family that ruled here for a super long time. They left a big mark on the town's history and culture. When they were in charge, Baripada became a center for art, culture, and government. The Banja kings loved art and buildings. They built amazing temples and palaces that you can still see today. Everywhere you look in Baripada, you see the Banja family's influence. One important place is the Banja Gar, an old fort that shows how powerful they were. Another cool spot is the Rasikaraya temple at Haripur, which shows how great they were at building. The Banja family's story isn't just in the buildings, it's also in the people's hearts. Stories about their bravery and kindness are still told today, keeping their memory alive in Baripada. Baripada is like a big mix of different cultures and traditions. This town, nestled in the heart of Odisha, is a vibrant tapestry of history and modernity. Walking through its bustling markets, you can see people in colorful traditional attire, each piece telling a story of its own. The streets are alive with the sounds of daily life, blending seamlessly with the echoes of age-old customs. It's famous for its special art, like the Chow dance and the Ranapa music. These art forms are not just performances, they are a way of life here. The Chow dance, with its intricate masks and powerful movements, is a sight to behold. Musicians playing the Ranapa create melodies that resonate with the soul, using instruments that have been passed down through generations. The Chow dance is a really exciting masked dance with martial arts moves, acrobatics and storytelling all mixed together. Each performance is a narrative, often depicting tales from mythology and folklore. The dancers, with their elaborate costumes and masks, bring these stories to life, captivating audiences with their grace and agility. The Ranapa is a musical instrument that looks kind of like a violin and is a big part of Baripada's folk music. Its unique sound is integral to the region's musical heritage. Watching a musician play the Ranapa is like witnessing a piece of history in motion, as the instrument's strings vibrate with the rhythms of the past. The people of Baripada are really proud of their history and they love celebrating their traditions. From grand festivals to everyday rituals, there's a deep sense of community and continuity. Elderly locals often share stories of the past, ensuring that the younger generations remain connected to their roots. Festivals and cultural events are a big part of life here. These celebrations are not just about fun, they are a reaffirmation of identity and heritage. The streets come alive with music, dance and decorations, creating an atmosphere of joy and togetherness. They give you a peek into the area's rich culture. Each event is a showcase of traditional crafts, performances and culinary delights. Visitors and locals alike immerse themselves in the vibrant cultural tapestry, gaining a deeper appreciation for Baripada's artistic legacy. One of the best festivals is the Chow Festival, where awesome dancers from all over come to show off their amazing moves. This festival is a grand spectacle, attracting performers and spectators from far and wide. The energy is palpable as dancers prepare backstage, donning their intricate costumes and masks. It's a spectacular show that celebrates Baripada's culture. The illuminated stage, the vibrant costumes and the enthusiastic audience all contribute to an unforgettable experience. The Chow Festival is a testament to the town's rich cultural heritage and its enduring appeal. Baripada's culture shows how creative and artistic its people are. From traditional crafts to contemporary art, creativity is woven into the fabric of daily life. Local artists and musicians continue to innovate, blending old techniques with new ideas. It's a cool mix of old and new, and it's always interesting. The town's architecture reflects this blend, with historical landmarks standing alongside modern buildings. Cultural events often feature fusion performances where traditional and modern styles come together, creating something uniquely Baripada. A short drive from Baripada, you'll find an amazing natural wonderland, Simlipal National Park. This park is not just any ordinary park, it is a treasure trove of biodiversity and natural beauty. As you drive through the forest roads, you are greeted by the lush greenery and the sounds of nature that instantly transport you to a different world. It's a biosphere reserve, which means it's full of different kinds of plants and animals. The diversity here is astounding, with countless species of flora and fauna coexisting in harmony. From towering trees to delicate flowers and from elusive predators to gentle herbivores, Simlipal is a living testament to nature's incredible variety. It's a great place for people who love nature and wildlife. Whether you're an avid hiker, a passionate photographer, or simply someone who enjoys the tranquility of the forest, Simlipal offers something for everyone. The park's well-maintained trails and guided tours make it accessible for visitors of all ages and interests. You can see the real beauty of Odisha's wilderness there. The panoramic views of the forested landscape are breathtaking, and the lush greenery is a sight to behold. Every corner of the park offers a new perspective on the natural beauty that Odisha has to offer. Simlipal is home to all sorts of animals, like tigers, elephants, leopards and deer. These majestic creatures roam freely in their natural habitat, offering visitors a rare glimpse into their lives. The thrill of spotting a Bengal tiger or watching a herd of elephants is an experience that stays with you forever. There are lots of different birds too, so it's perfect for birdwatching. Bird enthusiasts will be delighted by the variety of species that call Simlipal home. From vibrant parrots to elusive owls, the park is a haven for birdwatchers who can spend hours observing these feathered wonders. The park is mostly sal trees, and there are rivers and streams everywhere, creating beautiful waterfalls. The dense sal forests provide a serene backdrop to the flowing rivers and streams, which culminate in stunning waterfalls. These natural water features add to the park's charm and offer perfect spots for relaxation and reflection. The Joranda and Barhipani waterfalls are amazing. These iconic waterfalls are among the tallest in India and are a must-see for any visitor. The sight of water cascading down the cliffs is both mesmerizing and humbling, reminding us of nature's raw power and beauty. They're super tall, and the sound of the water is really loud. The roar of the waterfalls can be heard from a distance, and the mist that rises from the crashing water creates a magical atmosphere. Standing near these waterfalls, you can feel the sheer force of nature at work. Simlipal National Park shows us how important it is to protect nature. The park's conservation efforts are commendable, with dedicated rangers and staff working tirelessly to preserve this natural wonder. Educational signboards throughout the park inform visitors about the importance of conservation and the steps being taken to protect the environment. Visiting this park is an amazing experience. It's not just about seeing the sights, it's about immersing yourself in nature and appreciating the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Whether you're on a guided tour or enjoying a family picnic, the park offers countless opportunities to connect with nature. It's a chance to get back in touch with the natural world. In today's fast-paced world, Simlipal provides a much-needed escape, allowing visitors to slow down and reconnect with the natural world. Whether you're meditating by a stream or simply taking a break in the forest, the park offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Baripada has lots of temples, showing how important spirituality is to the town. These temples aren't just places to worship, they're also beautiful works of art. They tell us about the area's history and artistic traditions. One of the most famous temples is the Jagannath Temple, dedicated to Lord Jagannath. It's a beautiful building and a major pilgrimage site. Another important temple is the Kichakeswari Temple, dedicated to goddess Kichakeswari. It's believed to be over 700 years old and is very important to the people. The temples in Baripada aren't just religious sites. They're also centers for social and cultural life. Festivals and religious events happen all year round, bringing the community together. The temples are peaceful places to get away from the busy world. Visiting these temples is a great experience. It shows you the spiritual side of Baripada. Baripada's economy depends a lot on farming. The land around the town is great for growing crops like rice, wheat and vegetables. Forestry is also important because the forests around Baripada provide wood and other things. The town is also known for its handicrafts, which are made from bamboo, cane and other natural stuff. Tourism is growing in Baripada. The town's history, culture and closeness to Simlipal National Park bring in lots of visitors. Tourism creates jobs and helps the local economy. Baripada's economy is a mix of old and new. The town is trying to grow its economy while also protecting the environment so everyone can have a good future. Baripada really comes alive during festivals. The most famous festival is Rath Yatra, a huge celebration. It celebrates Lord Jagannath's yearly trip to the Gundicha temple. During Rath Yatra, giant chariots are pulled through the streets and tons of people come to watch. There's chanting and singing everywhere. It's a celebration of faith and devotion. Another important festival is Makar Mela, a month-long fair on the banks of the Budhabalanga river. Traders and artists from all over Odisha come to the fair, making it a mix of different cultures and traditions. Baripada's festivals show the town's rich culture and religious beliefs. They give you a look into the heart of the town. They're a celebration of life, bringing people together and making the community stronger.